Hello, let's solve this question on polynomial factorization. You can see this is a polynomial of a degree of 3, and in terms of factorization we always try to compare two terms together, so the first two, the last two, so we look for common terms. There will be a common term of x squared here, but here there will be no common term because we have what, 13 and what, 6, no common term. So we need to manipulate the 13x or the 8x squared in order to have terms that can easily have common terms. So when it happens this way, you always begin from your right, as in I'll start with 6, then I have my plus. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to look out for a value of 6 inside 13. So I'll be having 6x. So I need a number that will be added to 6 to give me what? 13. That will be 7 what? X. Meaning 7x plus 6x give you your 13x. Alright? So now that I'm having 7x, I also need 7 to be in the next number. So that will be 7x what? Squared. So 7x squared plus x squared will give me my 8x squared. So here I have plus what? X squared. And nothing to do. So this is the only power of 3. So I introduce x to the power 3. So if you check, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms. So we can group the first two in one bracket, in another bracket. So in each of the brackets we can easily get a common factor. So we know when you are looking for a factor or variable, you look out for the one with the lowest power. The power is 2, so the x squared will be our common factor. When it divides this, it gives you only x, then divide itself to give you 1. So we have this common factor for 7x squared. 7x will always be 7 and x power 1. So 7x dividing 7x squared will give you only what? X. Dividing itself will give you 1. Common factor for 6x and 6. No x here but 6, 6. So 6 will be out. Dividing this by x itself by what? 1. We are still factorizing. So this, and this are the same. X plus 1 is common throughout. So that becomes our next common factor. This is not going to multiply our x squared plus 7x plus what? 6. If you expand this, you get back your original. So what do we do? This is the answer, but here is also quadratic. So it means we need 2 answers from here. X plus 1. We need 2 answers. But don't forget x squared. So the first will be x, x. So now you find the factors of 6. When you add, you get 7. So we are going to have 6 and 1. If I multiply the 2, I get 6. If I add the 2, I get 7. So the factors are just plus 6 plus what? 1. But I can see x plus 1 being repeated. So I can have x plus 1 square, x plus what? 6 as my final answer. So this is how we factorize it. Because of the power of 3, we will be expecting to have 3 values of x if this were to be an equation equals to. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment.